everybody, welcome back to the Clinical Trials Guru. Thank you very much for watching, and this is a very special video for the CRA Academy. We have a first, Chris.
We do.
We have a first. You know, some couples like to go long walks on the beach. Some like to go to the movies together. Others like to do the CRA Academy together.
Yeah.
This is our first husband and wife, married couple, doing the academy together. We have a current couple. The wife's doing it now, the husband's doing it in a future one. This is the first time they're doing it together. Right? So Claude and Laura, they're from Maryland. They're from Baltimore suburbs. And well, tell us a little bit about your guys' background. Like what got you interested in research?
Well, currently I was working as a database administrator, but previously I had a bachelor's in biology, biochemistry to be precise, and back home in Africa I was a teacher in biology. When I got to the United States of America, my friends told me that there was an IT thing that I could make a lot of money. So I jumped into that, but I realized that I didn't have passion for it. So I told my wife that, you know what, it's about time I go back to my roots. I'm a biologist, I'm going to try something in biology. So I talked to a friend and he told me that there's a course, a CRA course that I could take. So he referred me to Nigeria and was actually doing a CRA academy. I actually attended that academy for 3 months and I had a couple of interviews, but I could not get a job because my reference didn't check. So that's why I said, you know what, let me start this all over. And went online, we did some research and we found the CRA Academy, and I watched some videos where Dan was actually like interviewing some guys and talking more about the CRA job, and I called him. I mean, he's a really nice guy. The first time I spoke to him.
Nice guy.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
The first time I spoke to him, I mean, he sounded really cool, and the way he talk about the CRA. At first I thought it was a bizarre job. Like it had so much documentation and the sponsor and the CRA will be on your ass, you know, trying to make you do the right thing. But when I spoke to him, man, I felt like, okay, you know what, this is something that I'm going to try.
Yeah, that's good. So each time a student calls me, the prospective students, they, you know, we're called the CRA Academy, so they think that's the only job in the industry is CRA. Well, I tell them, you know, there are dozens of jobs you've never heard of. But join our academy because you're going to learn all of them anyways, and then you're going to be given job leads afterwards, and then you have the internship, so you get experience on your resume. Like Laura. Sure. Laura's here, you know, now she wants to open a clinic.
That's right. I mean,
she's going to let her husband do the hard work, and she's going to open the clinic.
Even if you're a business person, I mean, there's lots of opportunities for you. Coming here, I didn't even think about the business aspect of it. I just thought about the travel. Oh, I'm going to be traveling, seeing other cities as a CRA. But now everything is changing to being a business owner because that's what I love doing. Having my own business. And if you join the academy, trust me, you won't regret it. They're going to put you on the right track. They even tell you the stuff that people would not tell you because others would not want you to be their competitors, but they, I mean, come on, they go ahead and tell you and even train you, give you inside information, first-hand information.
So Laura,
and we did not pay them.
No.
Only a little bit.
We told them to be 100% honest. So with the first academy you took, what was your experience there?
Okay, this is like black and white. I'm gonna be honest, this was like black and white because I'm the type, I mean, I didn't understand anything. It's just like they tell you, oh, this is gonna be this is gonna be that, and so you paint this picture in your head. And then when I came here and everything was not what I was being told, I now saw the reality. I started doing the practicals. I saw the site binder. I saw I'm like, okay, this is what the site binder looks like. This is what an EDC, this is how you do a report in an EDC. But at first, I just knew there was an EDC. But what is it? Now I had to go and, okay, this is how you enter your report. This is what you do. I mean, so doing all the measuring skills and, I mean.
So in the first academy, you weren't offered the real world experiences?
No. We were just, I mean, taught lectures, notes, and that was it. No practicals.
So no first-hand?
No first-hand.
No monitoring reports.
No monitoring reports.
No
even
CSSRS.
helping you prepare your resume, linking you up, just nothing.
Yeah, we never saw a regulatory binder, we never saw a protocol, we never had access to an EDC.
Informed
But you,
consent
all
form.
of that you get it
or-
with this academy.
We
Right.
just heard about them. Like, it was
But with
pretty
this-
much theory and no practicals.
So with this academy though, you received all that experience.
Man, I'm already walking.
I received, yeah, I received more because then even like with an informed consent form, I didn't even see one. I didn't even see like inclusion, exclusion criteria. But here we have every document. You see everything.
And not just that, I actually did the PANS test, PANS assessment. I actually did the AIMS assessment,
Right.
and
Tomorrow, then.
I didn't beat them then.
Yeah, we even had better
They scored
scores.
better than me.
We scored better than him. So yeah, we did.
Actually, if Laura would have done it, the
Yep.
patient that I screened would have randomized.
Really?
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So you got to.
I'm fired.
Set over here.
Yeah, you're fine.
Needs to be punished.
That's right.
So
So
you can
now,
actually hire Laura so you can get more patients.
yeah, I'm fired.
Yay!
Please
Getting
fire
a
me from
job.
that.
Getting a job.
So now, just to wrap up, okay, there's gonna be students that future students, hello in the future, that decide to take the class. Now, when you're done, if you graduate, which you should, you're gonna have the option of coming to California or either doing the internship remotely or doing it somewhere near you at a clinic or both. I highly recommend, we were just talking about this yesterday, right? The students that come here actually do better. Like, we have enough data now to measure it. You increase your chances by coming here because we go through monitored reports with you. I'm a contract CRA on the side, so I teach you how to do that when you're here. Just come here when you're done. Like, take the time. You know, it doesn't have to be right away. I know tickets can be expensive. Plan it out. Plan it ahead of.
Your odds of getting hired increase, we believe, immensely if you come to California.
So thank you, Laura, future site owner.
Thank you.
Thank you, Claude, future CRA.
Yeah.
And thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
We'll be in touch. Thank you all for watching. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.